students. A very good morning to all of you. Myself, Nagmani Ali Shetty from Adarsh Nagar Municipal School. Today we are going to learn about history topic. Okay, that is protectors of the nation. Now, who are the protectors of the nation? Marathas. As you know, in the last lessons we have learned about uh, how Marathas expanded their territories, right? Okay, in the north side also they expanded their territories. So that is our online class. Okay, standard 7th, and subject is history, and the name of the lesson is Marathas, the protectors of the nation. Okay, children, in the last lesson also we have learned about how Marathas expanded their territories in the north. You know Bajirao Peshwa, you remember Bajirao, how he conquered north territories and he established his power there also. Okay, Maratha power in the north side also. So now Maratha empire became the major power in the whole India. So the whole India was established by Marathas. Okay, मराठास जो है वो उन्होंने नॉर्थ में भी उन्होंने अपना पावर स्थापित किया. ओके, इन द टाइम ऑफ बालाजी बाजीराव जो थे वो बहुत बड़े योद्धा थे. एज यू नो ही वॉन मेनी बैटल्स. ओके, battle of Bhopal, battle of then Portuguese also, they fought with Portuguese and they got some Chauthai and Sar Deshmukhi rights also. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to see how Marathas protected the nation. Okay, how bravely they protected the nation, okay, from foreign powers. Let's see. Now as you can see on the screen that there were many battles between Marathas and foreign powers. Now in this lesson, now we are going to learn about how Peshwa Nana Saheb stabilized Maratha rule in the north. उन्होंने नॉर्थ में कैसे मराठा रूल जो है वो स्टेबलाइज किया, that we are going to see in this lesson. Okay, and then next we are going to see how Afghan ruler Ahmad Shah Abdali posed a challenge to the Marathas. So this ruler from Afghanistan, he posed a big challenge to the Marathas. Marathas के लिए वो उन्होंने बहुत बार मतलब इंडिया में अटैक किया, and he posed a big challenge to the Marathas. These two points we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, so let's begin. See, now Shahu Maharaj appointed Nana Saheb as Peshwa. See, after Bajirao won, okay, after the death of Bajirao won, Shahu Maharaj appointed Nana Saheb as Peshwa. Now, who was Nana Saheb? He was the son of Bajirao, okay, and his name is Balaji Bajirao, and he was also known as नाना साहेब. उनको नाना साहेब भी कहा जाता था. वो जो थे वो बाजीराव के लड़के थे. ओके, ही वाज द सन ऑफ बाजीराव. So he became Peshwa after his father's death. Okay, as you can see here, Nana Saheb and Shahu Maharaj. Now, when Nana Saheb became Peshwa, what were the situations in the Maratha Empire that we are going to learn? जब वो पेशवा बने तो वहाँ पे कैसा situation था, the whole Maratha Empire, that we are going to learn today. Now see, as you can see, there is a map, okay, of India. Himalayas are there in the north, and then there is Ayodhya kingdom was there, and in middle there was a kingdom called Rohilkhand. Now who used to stay in Rohilkhand? Rohilkhand में कौन रहते थे? Rohilas. Okay, Rohilas used to stay in that Rohilkhand. Now who were Rohilas? They were migrated from Afghanistan. ये लोग भी जो है वो अफगानिस्तान से आए थे, and they established their kingdom in Rohilkhand. But these Rohilas were creating lot of problems to the nearby kingdoms like Ayodhya. So Ayodhya ruler, what he did, the ruler of Ayodhya, see, as you can see, where is Rohilas used to stay? In between the rivers Ganga and Yamuna. Okay, so in between these rivers, this portion, they used to stay in this region, and they created lot of problems in this region. So the neighboring kingdoms, they were suffered a lot because of these Rohilas. So what they did, the king of Ayodhya, the Nawab of Ayodhya, he requested Marathas to come and fight with Rohilas. उन्होंने बोला कि रोहिलास को हराने के लिए he requested Marathas. Okay, Nawab requested Marathas to come and fight with Rohilas because that time Marathas were very strong. So they came to help the Nawab. नवाब को हेल्प करने के लिए वो आते हैं एंड दे डिफीट रोहिलास. मराठास डिफीट रोहिलास. ओके. Now after defeating Rohilas, one more Afghan ruler, who is that? Abdali. Okay, who was Abdali? Abdali कौन थे? अहमद शाह अब्दाली. He was from Afghanistan. वो अफगानिस्तान से आए थे and he wanted to rule India. उनको इंडिया में, and he knew that India was a prosperous country. The lot of wealth is there in India, he knew. So he came and attacked India. He wanted to establish his rule in India. Okay. Then what he did, he started marching towards India. वो इंडिया की तरफ आने लगे. So at that time Mughals were there, right? In the north, Mughal power was establishing in the north. So he started marching towards India through Punjab. वो पंजाब तक आए थे. Then Mughal emperor came to know about this. उनको पता चलता है कि अहमद शाह अब्दाली जो है वो इंडिया में आ रहे हैं. So what Mughal emperor did, Mughal emperor that time, Mughal emperor became very weak. There was instability in North India also because there was no proper, after many rulers came from foreign and they attacked Delhi so many times, and then after Aurangzeb, the Mughal emperor became very weak and there was no strong enough powerful leader to rule over Mughal kingdom. So Mughal emperor, he requested Marathas. Okay, he invited Marathas to come and fight with Ahmad Shah Abdali. See, as you can see, Mughal emperor requested Marathas to fight against Abdali. Now, why he requested Marathas only? Because at that time Marathas were very strong. Okay, only Maratha rule was there in the whole of India. So he trusted Marathas. Okay, उनको believe था कि Marathas जो है उनको अब्दाली को हरा देंगे. Okay. So he seeks help from the Marathas. And that time Maratha Sardars, Maratha leaders were very strong. They were very brave. So they fought bravely with many rulers. Okay. Now for that, in return, what he did, Mughal emperor entered into a treaty with Marathas in 1752. Okay. So for fighting with Abdali, he entered into a treaty. उन्होंने ट्रीटी एग्री किया इन द ईयर 1752. 1752 में उन्होंने मराठास के साथ ट्रीटी एग्री किया. नाउ व्हाट वाज द ट्रीटी? अकॉर्डिंग टू द ट्रीटी, व्हाट वाज एग्रीड? ट्रीटी के हिसाब से क्या एग्री किया उन्होंने? ही वाज रेडी टू गिव. See what Marathas agreed to do. Marathas agreed to protect Mughals from Jats, Rajputs, Afghans and Rohilas. उन्होंने एग्री किया कि वो लोग प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे किससे? फ्रॉम जाट्स. ओके, these all rulers from the north only. Okay, they were settled in the north. Jats, Rajputs, Afghans and Rohilas. So these four Marathas were going to protect from these four rulers. ओके, मुगल्स को वो प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे इनसे, ऐसे उन्होंने मराठास के साथ एग्री किया. एज यू कैन सी हियर. ओके, नाउ इन रिटर्न व्हाट मराठास वर गोइंग टू गेट? उन्होंने प्रोटेक्ट किया तो उनको क्या मिलने वाला था रिटर्न में? मराठास वर गोइंग टू गेट अ कैश अमाउंट. ओके, उनको कैश अमाउंट मिलने वाला था, चौथाई. As you know, in the last lesson also we have learned what is चौथाई. चौथाई हम लोगों ने पढ़ा. Then सूबेदारी rights also they were going to get. So these three benefits they were going to get in return to protect the Mughal emperor. Okay. Now Subedari rights. See, some kingdoms from the north, Marathas got Subedari rights. Okay, Mughal emperor agreed to give Subedari rights of Ajmer, Agra, and other provinces. Okay, and they were able to collect Chautahi in the regions of Punjab, Multan, Rajputana, Sindh, and Rohilkhand. ये जो 5 स्टेट्स थे उनका जो चौथाई था वो उनको मिलने वाला था, एंड प्लस दे वर गोइंग टू गेट अ कैश अमाउंट आल्सो. So these all were agreed in the treaty. Okay, that was happened in April 1752. Okay, now see what Abdali did. The Marathas were very strong. So hearing this only, that Marathas were going to come and fight with Abdali, he learned that Marathas started coming to Delhi. So he went back to Afghanistan. वो वापस चले जाते हैं Afghanistan because he was scared of Marathas. Okay, he was scared of Maratha's strength. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, वो अपने वापस मदरलैंड अफगानिस्तान चले गए. Okay, see, as you can see, Maratha started marching towards Delhi. वो साउथ से नॉर्थ की तरफ आने लगे थे. So but Abdali went back to Afghanistan. Okay, now Mughal emperor was very safe at this time. Okay, because he wanted to protect himself from Abdali. Now he became safe. So he agreed to give all that Chauthai rights and some subas. Now what he agreed to give? He agreed to give Chauthai rights of, okay, Chauthai rights and Subedars of Kabul, Kandahar and Peshawar. Okay, Mughals agreed to give the rights of Kabul, Kandahar and Peshawar. So these 3 states were there, but under the control of Afghan ruler. Okay, so what Marathas had to do? Marathas had to capture these territories and give back to Mughal Empire as per the treaty. Okay, earlier they were the part of Mughal Empire, but now Abdali occupied all these territories. उन्होंने कब्जा करके रखा था अब्दाली ने. So these all territories they have to win back from Abdali. अब्दाली से उनको ये जो है स्टेट्स जीतना था और उनको मुगल को देना था. So in this way they had to fight with Abdali. Marathas had to fight with Abdali as per the treaty. They promised to protect Mughal Empire. Okay, so they had to fight with Abdali to occupy these states. Okay, these occupy these provinces. अभी उन लोगों ने काबुल, कंदाहार and Peshawar, they were in the state of Afghanistan. Okay, now but Abdali was not ready to give these territories at all. Okay, he wanted to expire his kingdom. उनको अपना जो kingdom है वो up to Punjab he wanted to expand his kingdom. See, as you can see in the map, okay, Kabul, Peshawar, Kandahar and Punjab, these all states were under the control of Afghanistan ruler Abdali. ये जो states थे वो सब under control में थे अब्दाली के. बट एज मराठाज एग्रीड, मराठाज ने एग्री किया था कि वो जो स्टेट्स है उनका सूबेदारी लेंगे और वो मुगल एम्परर को रिटर्न करेंगे. सो इट वाज द ड्यूटी ऑफ द मराठाज टू विन ऑल दीज provinces and give back to Mughal emperor. So what they did, Marathas, they started marching towards Punjab. And what Abdali did, Abdali को ये जो provinces है वो return नहीं देना था. So there arised a dispute between Abdali and Marathas. Marathas और Abdali में disagreement हुआ. मतलब they were not ready to give up. Abdali did not give up all these provinces and Marathas want to win it back. तो इसमें ही उनका टसल हो जाता है, उनका कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो जाता है अफगान्स का और मराठास का. So for to fight with Abdali, what पेशवा नाना साहेब did? पेशवा नाना साहेब ने some Sardar rulers, he sent some big Sardar rulers to fight with Abdali. उन्होंने सरदार रूलर मराठा सरदार्स को भेजा अब्दाली के साथ फाइट करने के लिए. See, as you can see, these Maratha Sardars, they started campaign to the north to combat Abdali, मतलब to fight with Abdali. So who were the Maratha Sardars? See, Peshwa Nana Sahib sent whom? किसको उन्होंने किनको भेजा है? रघुनाथ राव, जयप्पा शिंदे, मल्हार राव होलकर. Okay, these were the prominent Sardars. Okay, great leaders. So these were sent to fight with Abdali. Okay, in the north. So they started their campaign to the north. So while going to the north also, what happened? You know, children, they approached many North Indian rulers also. ओके उन्होंने नॉर्थ के जो रूलर्स थे, लोकल रूलर्स थे, उनसे भी उन्होंने अप्रोच किया. बट व्हाट दे डिड नॉट सपोर्ट मराठास एट ऑल. उन्होंने मराठास को सपोर्ट नहीं किया. व्हाट दे थॉट दैट मराठास, दे डिड नॉट टॉलरेट मराठा सुप्रीमेसी एट ऑल. मराठास का जो साम्राज्य था, जो एम्पायर था पूरा भारत देश में, they did not tolerate, they did not like that Marathas should rule the India. Okay, so they did not support only. On the contrary, some rulers, what they did, they convinced Abdali to come and fight with Marathas. Okay, so in further we will see only Surajmal Jhat and Rani Kishori, these two rulers only helped Marathas. Okay, in the after the battle of Panipat, they helped the wounded soldiers, okay, of the Marathas. Only these two rulers came up to help the Marathas. And other rulers from the north, what they did, they thought that Maratha should not rule India. And what they did, they supported Abdali. And what they used to think, उन लोग को क्या लगता था, they were from other religion. Marathas from the south, they were belong to the south, na, Deccan. So they used to think that Marathas were belonging to other religion. Okay, so they did not offer any help. They remained neutral. मतलब उन्होंने help भी नहीं किया और कुछ ये नहीं किया उनको. They did not like the Maratha supremacy at all. And they did not like the intervention in the Delhi court. दिल्ली में उनका जो इंटरफेरेंस था वो भी उनको नहीं पसंद आता था. सो दे डिड नॉट हेल्प एट ऑल. बट ओनली दिस सूरजमल एंड रानी किशोरी from the north, okay, these two rulers only helped Marathas, okay, in the battle of wounded soldiers in the battle of Panipat. So what the north, as I told you, local rulers, what they did, they invited Abdali to defeat Marathas and drive them away back to the south. उन्होंने उल्टा अब्दाली को रिक्वेस्ट करके बुलाया इंडिया में और मराठास से उनको फाइट करने को बोला. And they want the Marathas to get away from the north. Okay, see, as you can see now, who was the ruler from the north? Rulers of the north convinced Abdali to defeat the Marathas. Okay, see, who was that? Nazib Khan. Nazib Khan करके एक ruler था. So he was from, as I told you earlier also, these were the Rohilas. Okay, Rohilas. And this Najib Khan did not want Marathas to establish their empire in the north. So he invited Abdali to come and fight with Marathas. Najib Khan was a Rohila. Okay, as you know, these Rohilas were from Afghanistan only. So he invited Afghan ruler Ahmad Shah Abdali. Abdali को उन्होंने invite किया to fight with Marathas because he did not tolerate any Marathas to rule over North India. He wanted to expand his power in the North India. Okay, so he wanted to drive the Marathas from the north. So he convinced Abdali to come and fight with Marathas. So now Abdali again accepted his offer and he came and he attacked India again. Now this is the, see, as you can see, this is the fifth time. Okay, this is the fifth time that Abdali came to India and attacked Delhi. From Delhi, what he did? He took a large amount of booty, okay, a large amount of wealth, and he returned to Afghanistan. He captured Delhi and he returned to Afghanistan with a lot of booty from India. And this was the fifth time. उन्होंने 5वां बार उन्होंने अटैक किया था इंडिया पे. Now Delhi, he captured Delhi also. See, as you can see, Abdali invaded India again. He attacked India and he captured Delhi and he took a large amount of wealth from India. उन्होंने बहुत सारा जो wealth है वो इंडिया से लेके गए. Now what Marathas did? Marathas also started marching towards the north as they came to know that Abdali came to attack India to protect Delhi. They went back to the north and they started fighting in the north. Now, which Maratha leaders captured Delhi? See, again, Raghunath Rao and Mallar Rao Olkar. These two Maratha leaders, they went to north and they captured Delhi again from Abdali's officers. ये जो है दोनों सरदार जो है वो दिल्ली चले जाते हैं और वो कैप्चर करते हैं दिल्ली को वापस से. And then driving out Abdali's officers, they captured Punjab also. Okay, वो पंजाब तक चले जाते हैं और वो अब्दाली के ऑफिसर्स को वहां से निकाल देते हैं. And then Marathas chased Abdali soldiers right up to Attak. You know Attak? See, this is the place of Attak. While driving away Abdali soldiers, they came to Attak and they raised their standard in the Attak. Now, where is Attak exactly? It is in Pakistan. अभी जो present पाकिस्तान है उसका ये province है. So they went till Attak and then Peshawar also they captured. Okay, but after capturing this, see, as you can see, Attak is in Pakistan and Peshawar is also in Pakistan. So these two provinces also they win from Abdali soldiers. Okay, but after establishing their power, they did not make any proper arrangement to look after this conquered territories. ये जो जीते हुए territories थे उनको proper arrangement करके उन्होंने संभाला नहीं. So later on also they had to leave these territories. Okay. Now see, as you know, as per the treaty, Marathas promised to protect Mughals, right? Okay, Mughal emperor. So they have to look after Punjab also. So to get a firm hold over Punjab को जीतने के लिए and to crush Nazib Khan. Nazib Khan was continuously attacking North India. So to defeat Nazib Khan, the Peshwa sent Dattaji Shinde and Janakoji Shinde to the north. Okay, these two leaders were sent by Nana Sahib. As you can see on the slide, Dattaji Shinde and Janakoji Shinde. So these two rulers went to the north to fight for Punjab. Okay, Punjab state. So they went to Najib Khan first. Okay, they approached Najib Khan because Najib Khan was ruling in the northern kingdom. So what they did, they had a talk with Najib Khan. See, as you can see, they approached Najib Khan. Okay, and they engaged a talk with Nazib Khan. But what Nazib Khan did, उन्होंने क्या किया? Keeping Dattaji engaged in negotiations, Nazib Khan established contacts with Abdali also. अभी ये जो नजीब खान थे उन्होंने दत्ताजी से भी बात की और secretly he sent a message to Abdali also to come and attack India again. तो दोनों तरफ से उन्होंने ये किया. So Dattaji thought that he will negotiate with Nazib Khan. But what he did, Nazib Khan, he secretly sent message to Abdali. उन्होंने Abdali को message किया. Okay, and he kept engaged दत्ताजी को लगा कि वो negotiate कर रहे Nazib Khan. But actually what he did, he invited Abdali to attack India again. So on receiving the message from Nazib Khan, Abdali invaded India again. मतलब अब्दाली जो है वो वापस से इंडिया को अटैक करने लगे. Okay, he started again attacking India. He came to India. See, a battle broke between Marathas and Abdali's army. A big battle took place between Marathas and Abdali's army. So in this battle, who were the Maratha leaders? Dattaji Shinde and Janko ये जो दोनों सरदार्स थे वो लड़ रहे थे, राइट, इन द बैटल. सी, दत्ताजी एंड अब्दाली confronted each other at Buradi Ghat on the banks of the river Yamuna. ओके, यमुना के तट पे ये दोनों का बैटल जो है वो स्टार्ट हो जाता है. ओके, they came face to face near Buradi Ghat on the banks of the river Yamuna. So as you can see, the battle took place between Marathas and Abdali army. Children, what you know what happened in this battle? A sad incident happened. You know what happened? दत्ताजी met with a heroic death in this battle. वो दत्ताजी जो है वो मारे जाते हैं. See, as you can see, Dattaji collapsed and he laid down on the ground. He was severely wounded. उनको बहुत सारे जो गोलियां जो है वो लग जाती है. But Dattaji was very brave. See what happened. Nazib Khan, Rohilla's advisor Qutub Shah, stepped down from his elephant and came towards Dattaji. He asked Dattaji, देखो वो जो है उनके जो कमांडर थे, अब्दाली के कमांडर्स कुतुब शाह एंड नजीब खान, दे बोथ केम डाउन एंड आस्क्ड दत्ताजी, क्यों पटेल जी हमारे साथ तुम और भी लड़ोगे? सी, ही इज आस्किंग दैट दत्ताजी, वाउंडेड दत्ताजी, आप हमारे साथ और भी लड़ोगे? तो व्हाट रिप्लाई यू इमेजिन व्हाट रिप्लाई दे गॉट फ्रॉम दत्ताजी. सी, हाँ बचेंगे तो और भी लड़ेंगे. दत्ताजी जो है बोलते हैं अगर बचेंगे तो और भी लड़ेंगे. See, such was the spirit of Dattaji. He was very brave, very courageous and fearless. See, on the death of the at the door of the death also he says that हाँ बचेंगे तो और भी लड़ेंगे. So such was the courage, such was the fearlessness he had. So he was a great warrior. Okay. Now, as Nana Sahib came to know that Dattaji was no more, he sent his cousin Sadashivrao Bhau and eldest son Vishwasrao to the north to crush Abdali. See, Nana Sahib sent these two leaders to crush Abdali. Okay. Now, who was Sadashivrao Bhau? He was the cousin of Nana Sahib. Okay, and he sent his own eldest son also. उनके जो बड़े लड़के थे उनका नाम क्या था? विश्वास राव. So these two sardars went to fight with Abdali's army. Okay. Now along with this, Marathas, Nana Sahib sent a huge army and powerful artillery. उनके साथ नाना साहेब ने बहुत बड़ा आर्मी और पावरफुल आर्टिलरी भेजा. व्हाट इज पावरफुल आर्टिलरी? मीन्स all weapons and all he sent. Okay, with these two leaders. And who was the chief of this artillery? Ibrahim Khan Gardi. So he was the chief of this artillery. Okay, he was there to operate all these cannons. Okay, to fight with Abdali's army. Earlier also he defeated Nizam. उन्होंने निजाम को भी हराया था in the battle of Udgir in 1760. Okay, with the help of this artillery, this strong artillery, he defeated Nizam. So Nana Sahib sent this chief to fight with Abdali's army. So as you can see in this slide, okay, he was the chief, army chief Ibrahim Khan Gardi. Okay. See, now expansion of Maratha power. As you can see in this map, children, आप देख सकते हो पूरा जो ऑरेंज कलर के शेड में है, दिस ऑल टेरिटरीज वर ऑक्युपाइड बाय मराठास. सी, द होल इंडिया फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ, that Maratha empire was established. All this was possible because of this great sardars, okay, and great rulers like Shahu Maharaj. See, only Mughals, or you can see only little part of this India was occupied by Mughal power in the north. Okay, only Delhi and Panipat was occupied by Mughal powers. and the rest of the country was occupied by Marathas. And Nizam power was there only in the southern part, that is Hyderabad. Okay, so this whole India was occupied by Maratha power. Maratha ने जो अपना साम्राज्य स्थापित किया, this you can see in this map also. Okay, so all of you understood this lesson, children? For your recap, I'll just go through the slides so that you will understand better. Okay. See, what you have to remember is that Nana Sahib's great ability to establish his Maratha power in the northern kingdom. Okay. So just we will recap this whatever we learned. Okay. See how Nana Sahib stabilized Maratha rule in the north. उन्होंने कैसे दिल्ली को बचाया by sending his great Maratha Sardars. Okay. Then Abdali, he was a big challenge to the Marathas. आप देख सकते हो उन्होंने कितनी बार इंडिया में अटैक किया and he looted the booty from India and he took away to Afghanistan. So many times he attacked India, but with great courage, these Marathas fought back with Abdali. Okay, so such was the bravery of the Marathas. They protected Mughal emperor, right? So Mughal emperor entered into a treaty. Okay, in this treaty, they were going to get a cash amount. Okay, and they were going to get Subedari rights and some Chauthai rights also they were going to get. So in this way they fought with Abdali ruler. Okay, Abdali was from Afghanistan. See, he was having intention to attack India. Okay, he wanted to establish his power in the northern side of India. Okay, up to Punjab, at least up to Punjab, he wanted to establish his kingdom. So many times he came to India. See, as you can see, this Afghanistan ruler, he occupied so many territories, but Mughal ruler did not want this. So he sought help from the Marathas. उन्होंने Marathas का help लिया to fight with Abdali. See, these were the brave ruler Maratha Sardars: Raghunath Rao, Jayappa Shinde, Mallar Rao Holkar. Okay. Who was Raghunath Rao? He was the brother of पेशवा नाना साहेब. रघुनाथ राव जो थे वो पेशवा नाना साहेब के भाई थे. See, and North Indian rulers, they did not support Marathas to fight with Abdali. Actually, Marathas wanted to protect India from foreign rulers. Okay, they did not want that any foreign power come to India and establish their power. So they were with this view, with this vision. But these North Indian rulers, they did not understand their broad prospect and they did not support only. Only this Surajmal Jhat and Rani Kishori, they helped the wounded soldiers. Okay. See, and Nazim Khan also in the North India, he was creating so much problems in North India, and he joined hands with Abdali. Okay, to fight with Marathas. And Abdali came many times to India and he took away so much wealth from India to Afghanistan. See, you can see Raghunath Rao and Mallarao Holkar. These were the big fighters who fought with Abdali, who fought bravely with Abdali. And this Atak, up to Pakistan, Marathas went and established their power there also. Atak. So you can see here where exactly Atak is there. Now present Pakistan. It is there in the northern side, and nearby this Atak, Peshawar kingdom was there. That also was occupied by Marathas. And Dattaji Shinde, as you know, at the time of death also he was ready to fight back with Abdali to establish Marathas' power. Such a brave and courageous leader was he was. See, now Marathas were with a huge army. They went to fight with Abdali after Dattaji Shinde's death. Okay, and who was the chief of this army? Ibrahim Khan Gardi. Okay, so I hope you all understood this lesson, children. Now it's the quiz time. Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions and you are going to answer it. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Now see what is the first question? Who came from Afghanistan? अफगानिस्तान से कौन आए थे?
अब्दाली.
अफगानिस्तान से कौन आए थे जो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहे थे नॉर्थ में? एंड टू फाइट विद देम अयोध्या के जो राजा थे.
अब्दाली, अहमद शाह अब्दाली.
Before Abdali, who came to this India? Before Abdali, who came to India and who established in the northern side of the India? In the foothills of Himalayas, who was there? Which kingdom was there?
Rohila.
Very good, very good, excellent. Rohilas were the people who came from Afghanistan and they settled at the foothills of Himalayas, that is Rohilkhand. वो जो लोग थे वो कहाँ पे रहते थे? रोहिलखंड में रहते थे. Okay. Now next is what? Name the region at the foothills of Himalayas. As I told you just now, what was the name of that region? क्या नाम था वो region का?
Rohila.
Rohilkhand. Okay,
Rohilkhand.
Very good, very good. Now next question we will see, children. Who was the brother of Nana Saheb Peshwa?
Raghunath Rao Peshwa and Sadashiv Rao Peshwa.
Very good, excellent.
रघुनाथ
Very good.
पेशवा.
Okay. Now next question we will see. Who was the ruler of Afghanistan?
Abdali. Atak.
Abdali. Okay. You should say the full name, children. Okay. Ahmad Shah Abdali was the ruler of Afghanistan. Ahmad Shah Abdali was the ruler of Afghanistan. Right. Now next question we will see. Name the town in present Pakistan which was captured by Marathas. What was the name of the town?
Atak.
Atak. Very good, children. The name of the town is Atak, now which is in present Pakistan, and it was captured by Marathas. Okay. Very good, very good. So you all knew the answers very well. Okay, that means you have understood the topic, right?
Yes.
Now it's homework time. Now children, as we learned this lesson, you have to do some homework also, right? आपको थोड़ा सा homework भी करना है. What is the questions given in the homework? I'll read out for you. Write about the conflict with the Afghans. Okay. Marathas conflicts with the Afghans. Afghan rulers के साथ उनका जो dispute था Marathas का, that you have to write in this question. Okay. Write about the conflict with the Afghans. Okay. So many times Afghan ruler came and what they did, how they fought with Marathas. All this you have to write in this. Okay. Now second question. Write about Dattaji's valor. As you know, Dattaji's brave story, that you have to write how he fought bravely with Abdali. That all you have to write in this question. So I hope you all understood the lesson, right? Okay. Now this is the end of the lesson, children. So I thank you for attending this online class. Okay.
इब्राहिम खान किसके चीफ थे?
Yes.
इब्राहिम खान किसके चीफ थे?
What? Ibrahim?
इब्राहिम खान किसके चीफ थे? चीफ
Okay, this Gartina, he was the chief of the army to operate that all cannons. जो भी हथियार थे वो, जो बड़े बड़े cannons थे वो operate करने के लिए उनको रखा गया था. Okay? Ibrahim Khan Gardi was the operator. Okay, he was the chief of the operating machine. Whatever weapons were there, he was the in charge of that artillery.
Fine.
Okay, children, you understood the topic? Okay, any event you don't understand, then I'll explain you again. You understood the topic?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Any doubts you have?
Yes, miss.
No, miss.
Okay.